Alright, we should be live. I gotta double check though, because I messed my stream up for the private stream. Let me see. Alright, so it didn't tweet it. That's one thing that's broken. Let me see if my stream is actually working. Alright, we're live on Twitch. Let me check YouTube.
Selling off a little bit.
YouTube. Alright, we're live on YouTube. I'm good. Yeah, it's selling off here, damn. Power hour is not helping us. The volume dried up as soon as it put in that high. This is what's scary on the 1 hour ES. We're failing the top of that wedge. This is where I talked about if you wanted to take like lotto puts for tomorrow, because Tuesdays have been very red. This is basically what you would base it on. This you would base it on the rising wedge here. So you'd probably look for like what 328, 327. Yeah, 327 lottos, they're going for about $100. The 326s are about 73. That would be the lotto you would play to play the Red Tuesdays. Yeah, 5-minute pivot on SPY is holding us down. There's still not a lot of volume to the sell side. Yeah, 50-minute pivot as well. The 0.13 fib is holding us down as well. A little fake out fib. Yeah, Apple's pulling back. Amazon, yeah, Apple and Amazon are hurting us right now. Intel's pulling back as well. Yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea, SR. Buy some puts at close. See if the Tuesday theory stays intact. Alright, this is where the time premium on the lottos is going to be non-existent. So it either hits 330 and we're in the money and we make like 100% plus, or it just stays where it is or pulls back and we lose everything. Because the time premium is going to, or the theta is going to kill you. Man, like JMA said, what a joke. What was it, like 20 cents away?
Your SPY, the lottos y'all took, is it today's expiration?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That
38 cents away from 330. It's pulling back.
Yeah, man. Today is weird because for the past like 2 weeks, it's usually super green Monday and then super red tomorrow. So now I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
today's green, but it's not that green. Like it's ranging almost all day. But if it tore into power hour, then it would probably be red tomorrow. Today's volume is extremely low. Yeah, extremely low volume all day. which leads me to believe it's going to be red tomorrow as well.
Is this pretty? So I know you guys might have mentioned this before. Typically, in August, market's pretty dead. Is this just a sign of things to come, or is this just a weird day?
So usually in August it's a pullback month, but not on election years. On election years, August is pretty bullish. Hey, Iconian, that's a new name. I haven't seen you before. Appreciate that Twitch Prime sub. Thank you for using your free sub on me. I do appreciate that.
What's the word, Deja? We ditching these spy lottos?
No, I believe.
Kev, CRM, I don't know if you were watching my screen. Sorry, I was on the phone. You kind of just blew everything out on CRM, man. There's really, unless you just go by fib targets here, there's really not much to, to look at. I guess 210.04 is a level. Yeah, I would say around, 210. If you wanted to be a little safer, you go 209.50, safer than that. 208.78.
Yeah, Iconian, you're a new name, man. I haven't seen you in chat before. Appreciate you hanging out. You're probably coming from the YouTube, I'm guessing. Much bigger community on YouTube for my stream. And then a lot of our viewers are hanging out in Discord.
Come on, Spy. Gotta believe.
I might need you guys to fucking spam a bunch of bullish stuff like we did on Friday. It ended up working. Don't start it just yet, though. We're going to save that. Last 30 minutes if we need a push. I told them to spam a bunch of bullish shit on Friday, and it literally started ripping after they were spamming.
Spam where on Twitter?
On Twitch and Discord. They were posting a bunch of GIFs. Hey, V, what's going on, man? Still a healthy pullback so far. If it gets much lower than this, we're going to lose 100%. But still a healthy pullback. I just can't believe how low the volume is today for a Monday. United Airlines is flying. TWLO, they have earnings tomorrow, I believe. They're up 3%. Yeah, CRM's flying. They have earnings in 2 weeks.
United Airlines has such a dog shit chart.
Yeah, it
chart.
does.
I need an end of day play for tomorrow, overnight.
Now, American Airlines is way. Oh, never mind. That's AA. My bad.
I think the only good overnight position is SPY puts. But if any.
You trolling?
What's that?
Are you trolling about SPY puts?
No, I'm if the Tuesday theory is correct, SPY puts here is not a bad idea. But if there was any Tuesday where it would fucking melt your face off, it would be tomorrow.
Yep.
Because there is nothing above us. We have broken all resistance, basically. That's why it would 100% be a lotto if you took it for this Tuesday.
And it would be my fucking luck, too. The first Tuesday out of the last 19 years that's fucking green.
That's what I said to them. This would be the one that we play, and it would melt our face off. Yeah, lottos are gonna be pretty fucking scary here. If
Yeah, they are.
this pulls back like this. The ones that we were up 80% are now down 20%.
Yeah, I'm down 45% on my lottos.
Yeah, I'm down 40 on mine overall. Sunrun earnings August 10th flying today. Yeah, we were talking about Sunrun in the Discord. Unemployment $600 is over. People are saving their money. That's a good point. Not a lot of people putting money into the market. If that next stimulus gets passed, there will be a lot of money going into the market because they said the last stimulus. Yeah, Spy's puking here.
Dirty drop. Real dirty drop.
Yeah, I think our lottos are fucked, boys. We're not throwing in the towel yet, but to recover a dip like this and to hit 330 would be brutal.
It'll have to pull last Friday kind of shit.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if you guys forgot, look at Friday. Bottomed and just fucking ripped the last hour. Literally bottomed at power hour. And then rocketed. But maybe this is inverse. Maybe it tops at power hour. That'd be horrible.
Trying to find like some kind of pattern.
The only reason I could see that we're topping here is the rising wedge on ES.
Yeah.
Besides that, there is no resistance.
I bought the opposite direction. I bought a couple of 328 puts.
I think puts, like I said, if we're playing probabilities, you have a good probability of it being red tomorrow. Fucking
This
what?
data's eating us up too.
Like damn near every Tuesday the past 2 months has been red. So Aviv, you're saying hypothetically you have a imaginary friend who works at Sunrun who says that Sunrun's gonna pump. Gotcha.
Julian, I'm not taking SPY puts.
That Sunrun chart actually does look pretty fucking juicy. Beautiful pullback and engulfing. That is a pretty good chart. What do their earnings look like? Or not earnings, their options, sorry.
I think they're playable.
Yeah, they're not terrible. You could buy like the 43s. 43s aren't bad.
Spreads are nice too.
Yeah, if I was playing that, I'd probably pick up the 43s, or you could pick up the 40s if you want a higher delta. Not a bad chart, but once again, red Tuesdays, so.
Come on, ES.
What do
Don't
we
fake
have?
us out. Do not fake us out like that. I don't know about that 330 anymore, boys.
Yeah, it's gonna be a face melter if it is.
Yeah, she's coming down hard right now.
All right, Trump, we need you to tweet something.
She's coming down real hard.
Yeah, those lottos are pretty fucked at this point.
Yeah, they're done.
They're done for.
Unless it hits the bottom of that fucking one quick drop, hits the bottom of that rising wedge and just rips up. One nasty wick to it. We're coming up to it here any second.
Yeah, we're on it right now. we did wick it. Oh, I broke through it now. Oh, it's melting.
Yeah. Yeah, lottos are done.
Lottos.
Actually, it's bouncing on it, and the way I have my line drawn, it's fucking bouncing on it right now.
All right, guys, this is the time. Post some bullshit. Everybody post anything bullish you can possibly post. Now we need it. We need it right now.
I'm telling you, if it wicks this and goes to the upside, it's gonna be so dirty.
It is fucking wicking pretty hard, dude. That's a fucking wick and a half already.
325.
Let me ban him real fast.
Yeah, get him out of here. Get him out of here.
He did say psych.
No, it doesn't matter. We're deleting all that. Nothing negative.
USLT, if SPY hits 330 today by close, I'll get you that lunch, buddy. Don't ask what it is. You already know. You already know it. I'm telling you, this will be the dirtiest fucking wick ever. Dirtiest wick ever if this plays out. Seriously. Those lottos are still shot though, man. The theta.
Dude, I was down
burning up.
96% and they went up 200%. You gotta believe.
But within 40 minutes?
Yes, that was the last hour of the day. We were down 96. They went from, what was it, guys? Like 10 cents to $2. It was fucking disgusting. If you bought them at the bottom, they went up 2,000%.
Caesar, I love that movie.
Oh, here you go. This could help us out. Democrat Senator Schumer says he believes there is desire to get something done on coronavirus relief. Speaker Pelosi says we'll meet again with the Treasury Secretary Mnuchin, White House Meadows on Tuesday. So they're meeting tomorrow. That's not good. They should have said today. They said the coronavirus meeting was productive. That's good. Okay, so I think that's why the market's coming down here, because the meeting is over, and there's no stimulus, so they're gonna meet again tomorrow. Fucking bastards!
So do we hold on for tomorrow?
You can't. They expire.
No, I'm talking about my other 330s.
Oh yeah, those are a little sketch. This rising wedge is fucking scary. Dude, this candle, if you look at the hourly on ES, if it were to hit 330 end of day, the candle would be fucking disgusting.
Yeah.
It would be like a hanging man, massive hanging man. I think we're doomed.
Yeah, we have to move up like 0.4% for that to happen.
Yeah, we're done for, guys. It was a valiant effort.
Thought that wick was gonna send us to heaven.
Dude, we were so close. That fucking last little run up. There was just no volume. Hey Tom, what's going on?
I still have faith.
I still believe as well. You're still above the wedge.
Don't trade on faith here, guys. We trade on technicals.
That's true. USLT.
You only trade on faith with penny stocks.
It is a big 50-minute bear div as well. I think it's a 30-minute bear div as well, yeah. Yeah, we're fucked.
Yeah,
Oh,
bear
gold
divs are eating
made
us
it.
up.
We needed that high a day to be the pump, and it failed. We need Trump to tweet something right now.
What if he
Gold.
tweets 3:30 end of day?
Could you imagine?
Do you think it would hit 3:30?
Holy fuck.
Remember when he tweeted a picture of himself with the mask on and freaking, what was it, APT or something ran up?
Oh, yeah. UNG worth holding. Yeah, we got a lot of guys in our Discord that are watching UNG.
I hear you, Evo.
UNG doesn't look bad. The problem with things like UNG, it's the same as USO. They're designed to go down because they trade on short-term futures. So holding them long-term is sketch. But short-term doesn't look terrible. Man, look at IWM. This drop was like nothing. Like IWM could fucking tear here. I still believe, dude. Send it.
Believe. Silver's holding the 618 fib. We're gonna have to see a strong candle like within the next fucking 10 minutes or so. If this wedge breaks, especially that 5-minute pivot underneath that wedge, if that gives, we're done.
BBBY breaking out. Bed Bath & Beyond. I think you mean, is that BBY, right? I don't know, BBBY. God, their tickers are dog shit. It's failing a daily pivot perfectly. Look at how clean that daily pivot is. Topped out, and now we're testing it. You break above that, looks pretty good.
Which one are you talking about? Best Buy?
No, Bed Bath & Beyond. Damn, they were dog shit on the coronavirus dump. They were $4. Fucking dollar store, dude. Yeah, we're watching that gap, Rob. We're watching it. Oh, you're talking about the lower gap. Yeah,
Oh yes.
we do have a lower gap. We're watching the upper gap.
Volume coming in on ES.
We just need Trump to tweet something. It could be about fucking TikTok. I don't care. Connor's already tweeting pictures of him at the beach.
Is he really?
Yeah. He said, sell the top on Microsoft, head to the beach. Must be nice.
Fail here, yes. It breaks these moving averages. 330, baby.
3:30
Let's
in
go.
a day, man. Is Microsoft running? What's it at? 216 still? Yeah, we called it. It already hit it topped out at our target. Look at that. 217.58, almost to the penny. You had a little bit higher to your second or your third target. Maybe it goes for the third target end of day.
USLT, I know you want that lunch, man. I know you want that lunch.
USLT, if it hits 3:30 in a day, I'll add on to that lunch so you can get yourself like a little happy meal and maybe a smoothie.
Shit, instead of McDonald's, we'll be going to Burger King.
That's true. Maybe even Chick-fil-A shit.
Yep.
Get one of their
can't get
$9
much at
salads.
Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah, yeah.
Ah, Dow's coming down. They don't like the Happy Meal comment.
John will throw in a 6-piece. USLT, you're gonna be eating for a fucking month if this spy hits 3:30 today. Free dinner for a month. I'll buy you dinner for a month, USLT.
A whole month of pupusas.
A double cheeseburger off the value menu for 30 days straight. It's $1 a day.
Nicola is after forming a base for now. What are you talking about?
That USLT, is that the VIX candle? Yeah, VIX is ripping right now.
That's not good. Because he just said papusa, man.
I'm gonna break that. I'm gonna eat some pupusas on my next cheat day. I'm gonna break that. You know
Break
what?
the
You know what it
curse.
is?
Do
I
it.
didn't water the money tree today.
Oh, fuck. Get it watered.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring in the fucking hose.
Oh shit! Yeah, VIX is climbing.
Yeah, VIX is rocketing. Here's that bull div we talked about. The bull div got us.
Fuck the bull div.
Yeah, I gotta turn off all these indicators, man. They've been hurting us recently.
Put
Alright,
some
guys.
water
As
in the
soon
money
as he
tree right now.
waters the money tree, it's
I'm
pumping.
doing it right now, guys. Doing it right now.
CNBC just said virus talks at the White House are done for the day. Probably no Trump tweet. It wasn't virus talks. It was the stimulus bill. But yeah, they're done for the day. They're probably gonna go. They're gonna talk again tomorrow. I think somebody said Trump is talking at 5.
All right, money tree has been watered.
Then do nothing.
You gotta let it soak
You
in,
gotta,
man.
yeah, you gotta let it absorb, man.
Well, you've got 30 minutes to absorb, man.
Yeah, let it do its thing.
VIX went down just a little bit though.
VIX is on the 50. This is where it needs to nuke.
Yeah, see, Kelp knows what's up. Give it a fucking minute. It's got a drink. USLT, are you bearish right now? You a bear?
I think he doesn't want free food.
He is a bear. That's why he said SPY 325 earlier.
I mean, if
He's got puts on SPY. That's
if
why
you
he's a
were
bear.
shorting, this would be the time. This is the apex.
I picked up a couple of lottos thinking it would fill the gap.
Yeah, those
VIX
were
is
good in the
rocking.
morning, but as soon as it double bottomed, it was done for.
VIX on fire right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's no bueno, guys.
Let's see it gets smacked down at VWAP, and then the next 30 minutes runs.
Yeah, it's climbing. I think people are getting tired of waiting on the stimulus bill.
They just need to send it then. All 401ks will go up.
Nvidia 5-minute bull div end of day.
Let's go ES right here, baby. Break these EMAs.
Oh, she's climbing. See that
Break these
the
EMAs.
water's absorbing right now.
Should I fucking? I'm gonna dump a bucket on this thing. I'm gonna throw it in a bathtub.
You're gonna fucking kill that plant. That's what you're gonna do.
You got to give it some Gatorade or something, some electrolytes.
Put in a 5-minute topping pattern right here. Shit the bed. ES runs at 3 or SPY runs at 3:30.
If I
GG.
took puts for a red Tuesday, it would be 326s that expire Wednesday. If anybody's interested in that idea. They are 100% lottos. But if the Tuesday theory continues, that is what I would play. 326 Wednesday. They're currently going for 80 cents. Yeah, the markets are stimulus junkies, exactly. Oh, fuck me.
Oh God, USLT. I pick them up in. Oh, actually, next week. Shit, 14th.
USLT, the second you posted that, you just nuked SPY so hard.
Yeah, pick them up next Friday. Oh. VIX is ripping, dude. VIX is on VWAP right now.
VIX is on fire.
Yep, now it's over.
Oh,
It's just
shit.
tearing. Yeah, we're done. Lottos are shot.
They're shot, boys. We tried. Maybe we got to hit that 96% for it to go up.
Let's see if it gets rejected here at VWAP. USLT. Maybe
Are we in China?
you think it's bad for the plant if I put a little bit of LaCroix in there, some carbonated water?
Probably not. I think I'd like it.
All right, let's try it out. It's water, right?
Shit, basically.
All right, I gave it a little splash. Got to switch up his diet. Give him something new.
You know, there's some fucking DJs that take the same day lottos like 30 minutes before they expire.
Crazy people.
The market is puking right now. It's the opposite of what happened yesterday on Friday.
I didn't know that, Castro. Maybe that's why. Maybe I just gotta start giving it some LaCroix. Oh yeah, we're dumping here.
Ah, the
Ooh,
wedge. The
there it
wedge is playing. Those 326s I just called out, they're already at 100.
Oh my God, that's a nasty
Look
drop.
at VIX.
VIX is vertical right now.
They're up 25% already.
Yeah, the lottos are shot. 5-minute pivot on ES. Have to blow off some steam on a nice Call of Duty game after
Oh,
this.
actually, here is a... I'm going to test this out for you guys. Actually, I probably shouldn't do it because it's fucking bad, but I'm going to let that contract expire worthless without trading it. Will that count as a day trade? We will find out.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah. We are going to let it expire.
If you don't sell it, it's not a day trade.
That's how I feel. It shouldn't be.
Because the day trade is buying and selling. If it expires, then you didn't sell it. You just let it expire, so it shouldn't count.
Exactly. So we're not even going to waste one of my day trades.
USLT, if SPY goes for that gap fill, back down to Friday's close, I'm going to load up heavy on those 821 330s.
SPY is getting ready to melt faces right now if it breaks this fucking wedge to the upside. If it gets back inside of it.
Yeah, I'm saying if it does fill that gap, I'm going to lose on my short-term contracts, but I'm just going to load up on the 821 330s.
Look at IWM. There is no drop.
Yeah.
You had
Don't
massive
fuck
sell
stupid.
volume. It's already recovered.
Same with the Qs. It pulled back a little bit, maybe a little bulldog here.
Yeah, the Dow looks the worst. Dude, SPY's ripping faces right now if it keeps doing this. I think this is the other way around at this point, USLT. Hits 330 in today, you're buying us lunch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm down for that. You down, USLT?
And being so damn bearish.
You got odds in your favor, USLT. So if it does hit 330, no bullshit dollar menu. We're talking about some fucking filet mignon.
You definitely have odds. We have 25 minutes. How much do we have left? It's like 0.5%? 0.35%. Let's do it.
.35% and
25
20.
minutes.
Yep.
That's easy. What did it do? What did it do on Friday? On Friday, in the last 1 hour,
Probably went up like 2%.
it went up almost 1%. The last 2 hours, it went up fucking 1.5%. Very doable. The last 10 minutes, it went up. There you go. That's what we need. Last 15 minutes, it went up 0.6% almost.
Uh oh, SR is bearish too.
Oh, you guys are about to get smacked if this candle keeps doing this. I don't bet on earnings, Trent. There's no reason. It's just gambling, man. Trying to
check your DMs.
Trying to predict if something is good or bad earnings is pretty fucking useless. Let me check. No. Yeah, so far the daily POC is holding. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. I want to see this thing melt faces end of day. The last 10 minutes.
Possible bulldog on Facebook. Facebook 5-minute.
Man, if we would have got the 329s instead of the 330s, they would have been fucking up big. Oh, I guess not. Those are down too.
DraftKings is moving up a little bit here.
Yeah, even the 329s are down. Yeah, once it lost the value area high, that was a bad signal. USLT, you scared yet?
He's confident, dude.
Red Tuesday might save your ass.
Fix just put in a 5-minute pivot.
Yeah, I saw that. It's failing the
And
POC too.
close below VWAP.
Failing a massive volume node. IWM is still holding.
USLT, you buy me lunch if we hit 330?
Sponsored bearish. IWM's coming back. That's not good. That's our golden child. This is where Amazon should pump end of day. Amazon and Apple, we need it. Everybody, if you're gonna online shop, we need to do it right now.
Look at the Qs. They're trying to recover.
Yeah, look at Microsoft. It's flying. Microsoft breaks this pivot, goes into high day.
No, USLT, you got odds in your favor, man. We're talking about like a $50 lunch. You got odds in your favor, man. We're working with 19 minutes left.
What do you guys think about Netflix
Steak.
going into tomorrow and the day after?
I like Netflix a lot.
So do I.
I didn't get filled.
I got the 821s though because I want to go for that gap fill.
Yeah, I didn't get filled on mine, so.
Ribeye USLT. I want to get a ribeye for lunch. SPY hits 330. You want to pay for it?
Look at her go.
USLT. And if not, dude, I've been saying I was going to buy you lunch for the past 2 months. I was going to buy you lunch for the past 2 months when we were 6% away from the target. Yeah, you got to give me odds, dude. We got 18 minutes left.
He's stalling because he sees how bad it is. It's going in our favor.
I got 18 minutes left, USLT. For that other 3:30, when I was going to buy you lunch, you had like 6 months.
Yeah, your theta's gone, dude. Tom, the only options videos I have are private videos in my Discord. I go over my options trading strategy, and I go over like different techniques and stuff like that. I just made a video on Saturday where I talked about position sizing and debit spreads and like turning things into spreads, stuff like that. I'll probably release them all on YouTube eventually, but for the time being, they're going to be private for the Discord. Everything on my YouTube is all like TA based, like technical analysis stuff. I don't have any options videos though.
IWM's moving up here. QQQ.
It's sad because I think it's gonna pop, but is it gonna be enough? Because our time premium's gone. We need it to be in the money. 330, 330, 25. Get the fuck out, basically. We need to see like the most disgusting 5-minute candle we've ever seen.
Don't lose hope. We've seen it before.
Oh, I believe.
Look at Friday. Look at Friday's. Look at Friday's last 5-minute candle.
Yeah, last 15 minutes are vertical.
Damn, you're up 40% on IWM. Is that from like a long time ago, or did you just take that with Deja recently?
My contract is literally break even almost exactly.
USLT, how are you up 40% on IWM? Did you take it like way back? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm up only 6%.
I'm break even 0.
Nice.
Yeah, you're vertical on VIX to the downside.
VIX is bouncing on the 80 MA. It's got to fail here.
If IWM gets a little higher, there's nothing above it.
We just closed above all the EMAs on SPY 5-minute, and they're squeezed.
Volume coming in a little bit higher on the
Imagine the people who sold this fucking falling wedge or rising wedge a break. They are fucking getting nuked.
Dude, people are trying, man. The buyers, the bulls are trying right now.
Yeah.
No joke.
Yeah. 32.93 now.
We have 15 minutes left.
15 minutes, and
this is where it started pumping end of day yet on Friday. Let's see if we can get it last 15 minutes.
70 cents. 70 cents within the next 15 minutes.
Dude, watch. If this works, watch how fucking quickly these contracts move.
I'll buy a 12-pack of LaCroix every day for the plant.
VIX is bouncing a little bit.
You guys are hilarious.
Hey, you gotta make losing money fun, right?
I don't know if I can ever make it fun.
VIX is bouncing off that 80 MA. Literally wicked it, bouncing off of it. It's got to fail.
IWM's failing its volume resistance, but it's getting ready to pop. IWM gets like 5 cents higher. There's nothing above it. Look at IWM.
Like it's
Climbing.
about to rip.
Keep going. Needs like 5 more cents. Dow Jones holding a pivot. What's Apple and Microsoft here? Microsoft might carry us. Needs to get above this pivot. Fucking Amazon's the dog of the day. That's why.
Quick wick to test those EMAs and then straight to 330. I'll be happy with that.
Microsoft's pumping.
We have 12 minutes. Microsoft, lead us up. Here she goes. If Microsoft gets above 217.05, there's nothing above it. Iconian, I try to keep it around 3 to 5 trades at a time. I don't like having a lot of trades. Most of my trades are swing trades. Then we also take some day trades as well. The majority of them I like to hold overnight, though. I've been holding less overnight recently because the markets are extremely choppy.
Facebook's tearing right now, dude.
All right, which one of
Facebook
these?
might be putting in a bulldog, Deja, 5 minute.
Yeah, I see that. Looks good. IWM doesn't want to do it.
25 minutes. What time zone you in?
No, you don't. Yeah, we can't use the extra 15. I don't think we can use it because it expires.
Yeah.
GLD just put in a high of the day.
Here's the test of the moving averages. Now straight up.
Yeah, because I think technically that's the next day USLT. So I think if they expire today, you can't use that. I could be mistaken though. I never trade that extra 15. Yeah, VIX is fucking vertical.
Have this pivot hold it down.
Yeah, it's holding it so far. USLT, I don't like the attitude, you know? I think if you were bullish, we'd probably be doing all right.
He's loaded up on puts.
All right, last 10 minutes. Here we go.
Oof.
Not looking good. We need a fucking Trump tweet right now. Trump tweet is the only thing that saves us.
GG. It's done.
Yeah, I think it's over.
Yep.
All right, I guess. Throw in the towel. The lottos are finished.
Steam on a nice COD game after this, boys.
Nasty 1 minute candle. Fucking nasty. Now, do we flip bearish and take that play that I talked about? They're already up like 25-30%. Oh, it's at 90. They were at 80.
Oh yeah. That's why we call it a lotto, boys. Castro's down. Castro's always down. I have to take out my frustration on the battlefield.
I might grab those lottos for Wednesday.
Puts?
Yeah, the 326s that I called out at 80. I'd only put in like I'd buy a couple of them, nothing crazy.
Bless you. Inverse head and
excuse me.
shoulders on the 5-minute. Buy inverse head and shoulders on the 5-minute. You see what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, it's there. I don't know if it's strong enough to push us up. Fucking hell, this would be a deadly candle.
If it does, I'm going absolutely ape shit. You could tell that the Bears and Bulls are fighting real hard here.
If it looks
in all reality, they are, man.
If it looks like that one time when I was fucking shorting and it just rocketed out of nowhere, we can get it.
The lottos are still dead, but inverse head and shoulders. Just 3 wicks straight down.
How far down is 326 if I take that lotto? 326. That's a 1% drop tomorrow. We've fell more than 1% on Tuesdays, I think.
Oh yeah, Tuesday's been rough.
Yeah, it's not a bad lotto. You could go to 327 to be a little safer.
Last Tuesday was the 28th. 0.63%.
Is that how much it fell?
Yeah.
What was the Tuesday before that? It was the 21st?
Yeah, 21st.
21st gapped up and then nuked end of day.
Yeah.
1.7.
What was the one before that?
1.7%.
The 14th.
14th. Nuked on the 14th.
No, 14th strong.
Oh, sorry, that was the Monday. Yeah, Monday nuked. 14th went up.
1.3%. That's massive.
The 7th nuked.
Yeah.
How big was the 7th? It was 1.4%. Yeah, so you could easily get 1% if it's a red Tuesday.
We just don't have the time to hit 330.
No, we don't. Look at them fucking fighting, though.
I know, it's disgusting.
Ugh. They wanted it. They just didn't take it. 5 minutes. Give it to us.
The volume's there.
Look at
too.
them fighting. Look at the candle. Look at the 5-minute candle.
Holy shit.
Dude, they want it.
It's about to close like this, too.
Last 5 minutes. Let's
closed.
fucking get it. Oh my god, it's nuking. Yeah, now I'm addicted. I said no more lottos. Now I'm addicted to lottos. No more lottos. Now we're taking same day lottos every day. Oh god.
Yeah, she's coming down.
That's awesome, Johnny. Big day. Microsoft Roku, hell yeah.
Nice job, Johnny.
I'm trying to wait for the time premium to be completely fucking gone on these 326s.
Johnny, did you hop in Microsoft today, or did you have that from last week? Johnny with the H, we have a John Doe in here too. It's too many Johnnies.
We have like 6 Johns. I typed in chat. Well, everyone knows I'm looking for the 326 lottos on Wednesday. I might grab those. The lottos today did not pay off, boys. We could have sold the ones that we added onto. They were up 70%, but they were so cheap that it was like $10 a contract. It was fucking dirt cheap. So, didn't really make us anything.
Look at silver going in a close.
Yeah, strong close.
Tearing.
Silver and gold look good. Yeah,
Yeah.
Microsoft, man, it topped out a little bit, but doesn't look bad for tomorrow.
I went back into a Microsoft spread for the next week.
Doesn't look bad. As long as that deal doesn't fall through. If that deal falls through, it's going to kill the contracts. Now, it's the same price, USLT.
Next target on Microsoft's 220.
Don't be talking shit, USLT. I gave you the best bearish pattern of the day on SPY. That's probably why you shorted it. What time is it? Alright, so if we want to buy these, we need to buy them like right now. Worst case scenario, we buy it. It's the fucking first green Tuesday in forever. And then our IWMs absolutely tear. We make money anyway. Because we have way more money in IWM than I'm going to put in this lotto.
D-Dog's running at the end of the day here. You tag the auto SR, daily auto SR on D-Dog.
What do you guys think? Do we play the red Tuesday and the falling and the rising wedge?
I'm not going to.
Yeah, I think it's a decently bad idea. Not a horrible idea, but it's a decently bad idea.
If I fills that gap, like I said, I'm going heavy on those August 21st.
Fills the gap tomorrow.
330s. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I like the red Tuesday theory.
Buy shit up.
I think I'm gonna grab a very, very small size on these guys. Is it the right account? Okay, we're on the right account.
Yep, it's over.
All right, we picked them up, boys. We picked them up. What's the date on that? The date on that is August 5th.
Bears are too strong at this level, man. There it is.
There's the close. Our lotto's expired, worthless. That's alright. It was a good damn bet. We almost had it. The high of the day was what, fucking 20 cents away from our target? Not even. Oh yeah, it's 39 cents away from our target. 0.12%.
Did someone say Trump is speaking today?
Yeah, I think at 5. Dude, it's selling off after hours. These puts might print.
Did you pick them up?
Yeah, I did. I'm up 5% already.
Yeah, it's dropping.
See if we can make our money back. Pretty boring day. Yeah, decently. If you weren't in like Microsoft or Roku or what else moved today?
Apple.
FSLY, Nvidia. Those were the only like big movers. Everything else was sideways. How'd you guys do? Most of you guys should be green today. Let me ask you guys, green or red on the day? Green or red on the day? If you guys traded fucking anything on me or JMA's watch list, you should be green. Our watch lists are on fire today. Yeah, there we go. Almost every single person is green. Love to see it. Make sure you guys are watching the summary of markets video that I release on Sundays, because I shit you not, they've been spot on like every single week. I've been calling out gold on the summary of markets for probably the past month or two. And we've been spot on almost every single week on what I say is going to happen with gold. So make sure you guys watch that. Every single person in here is green. Fucking love to see it. Love to see it. Let me screenshot that. Good day, guys. That's a good start for a lot of you guys that are in the trial. If you guys are doing the trials with us, hopefully you guys enjoyed your first day. If you guys have any questions, let us know. I know it can be a little overwhelming if you guys join the Discord. You see all the channels. We've got like dozens of channels. I think it's pretty organized. I've asked you guys a few times. You guys say you like the layout, so I think it's pretty organized once you get used to it. But yeah, if you guys are confused about the setup or need help with anything, just let us know. Still waiting for the food channel.
Yep, me too.
I can make a food channel. I mean, the off-topic channel is kind of the food channel.
Name it hashtag pupusas.
Off-topic in quotations does food. Sorry guys, let me read the chat. Are lottos one-day options? They don't have to be one-day options. Lottos are just like options that are dog shit, basically. They have a very low chance of winning. It's like a lottery ticket, right? You're putting in like a very small amount of money. If you're right, it can make you a lot of money. But the probability of you being right is very low. Typically, they're either same-day options or same-week options with very low delta.
Anyone remember that Apple Lotto from before? Was that for August 21st, that $400 call that we picked up like a long time ago? Like I think it was over a month ago.
Calvin, are you actually red or are you trolling? Hey, there you go, Johnny. Up almost 10%. See, look, as soon as you stop trading Boeing, Johnny, you make money.
I feel Johnny's pain on that. I feel his pain on that.
Ethereum USD is just very extended. So if you traded this, it would have to be on a smaller time frame. Problem is, you trade it on a smaller time frame. Look at what happens to you. The wicks annihilate you. So you got to be careful. Hopefully, if you had some bids placed, you got some bids filled on that wick. You're definitely ascending. It's definitely still uptrending. The problem is you're very extended. Look at that pullback on the daily. Came all the way down to the pivot, bounced off the pivot almost to the dollar, and then he rocketed back up. So definitely bullish, but it could nuke you at any moment. So I wouldn't be putting too much money into it up here. If your average is lower, you could add up a little bit, like pyramid in. But if you're getting in naked, you're probably gonna get wrecked. But all right, guys, that was a really good start of the week. We're still green on the day, even though we lost money on those lottos. We made a lot of money back on IWM. We made a lot of money back on Intel. So still definitely green on the day. But yeah, good start of the week. If you guys, what do you say, been picking up stats? Yeah, so crypto, yeah. The equities market is going to follow patterns a lot better than crypto. Crypto's a lot scammier. You have a lot of scam wicks. It trades like a penny stock. So if you like the way the Bitcoin or Ethereum trades, you'll like penny stocks. If you don't like it, just trade like big blue chip companies, like equities companies, and you'll like the way they trade. But all right, guys, I'm going to call it on that. Nice stream. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow on stream, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern. And I'll be live in Discord for our morning call, same time as always. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.